The 2025 Toyota Rav4 pickup truck is anticipated to revolutionize the midsize pickup segment with its bold design and advanced features. Expected to feature a rugged yet modern aesthetic, the truck will likely incorporate Toyota's signature angular lines and a robust front grille. This pickup is projected to be powered by a 2.5-liter inline-four engine, delivering approximately 203 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque, coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission. A hybrid variant might also be available, combining a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors to produce around 219 horsepower, emphasizing fuel efficiency and environmental consciousness. The 2025 model is expected to come with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams, ensuring top-notch safety standards. Additionally, a high-definition 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an enhanced JBL audio system is anticipated to provide superior connectivity and entertainment options. The truck will likely feature a spacious cabin with high-quality materials and a practical rear bed designed for both utility and leisure. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Rav4 pickup truck is estimated to start around $35,000, making it a competitive option in its segment. Toyota enthusiasts and pickup truck fans can look forward to its official release in the second quarter of 2025, marking a significant addition to Toyota's versatile lineup and a strong contender in the evolving pickup truck market.